Hey Morgan. So I watched your video, and what I got out of it for what you didn't know about creativity was that everyone in their own ways are creative, whether they know it or not. Without creativity, in society would not be able to evolve. Um, what you learn about your creative self was with the masks during the beginning of the pandemic. You used your own T-shirts to make masks. Um, Also, since it's required to take summer classes, you said that you were going to take classes in Italy. I mean, why wouldn't you? Um, Creativity that applies to your field. You mentioned that you're a marketing major, and in business as a whole, creativity is huge there. Marketing is very important, requires a lot of creativity. And the examples you used were Ford and Tesla, which obviously they market in different ways. Um, the creative skills that you mentioned that you were going to need for your future career were marketing and asking questions, networking, and experimenting. And to be efficient using the those certain softwares that you mentioned, I think Adobe it was. Um, the creative skill that applied to your field of study or job. Uh, you mentioned that you were learning how to edit, and networking will be huge in your career in marketing because that's the main thing.